Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello. It's been a while, right? All right, so today we're going to be stuffing my sinking funds cash envelopes, and then we're going to be taking the cash out of my Pay It extra binder, which this binder will not keep a lot of cash in there or anything like that. Add to some savings challenges, guys, and yeah, that's what we're pretty much going to do. So let's go ahead and let's hop into it. All right, so let's go ahead and see the cash that we are going to be adding. I was thinking about doing all of my coin, guys, but I don't think we're going to get to that today. All right, so we are actually going to be stuffing $328. So let's go ahead and make sure that is exactly what we have. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that makes 25, and then 26, 27, 28. All right. So we have $328. And I hope everybody has been doing good. Y'all, I have been like crazy busy. And the 52 weeks and the 1K challenge is still scheduled to go out on the 26th. So they will start going out from the 26th on. Because I did have that in the product listing that they will be start shipping out on the 26th. So I know I've had people ask me, and I'm like, they're coming, y'all. They're coming. Okay. All right. So just to let you guys know. So first thing what we're going to do our, I guess this is like our bill binder. Now I did take out my trackers because I was trying to call myself, trying to figure out, fix something, swap things out, and I stuck them because I do this all the time. I stick things in places that I'm like, all right, I'm gonna put this here so I won't lose it, and then I end up not remembering. I end up forgetting where I stuck it to make sure I don't lose it. Does that make sense? Yeah. It doesn't make sense at all. So I don't have trackers in there. I was thinking about putting some in there, but I'm just going to go ahead and look for my trackers because it has all of my information that I've had so far on there. So we're just going to go through them. So Amazon will get $10. 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we are actually going to, oh, you know what? That was it. I had I had finished this. That's what that is. And I didn't, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I didn't take the money out yet. And so that's why I was wondering, I was like, why does this have a little bit more extra money in here? But I didn't take the money out yet to pay the Prime membership. But that is pretty much coming up. Y'all, I just tricked myself. All right, so home, we're going to be doing $25. So we're going to do 120, and we're going to do 15. Don't have any home stuff yet that we need to do. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. All right, so that's what we have for home. All right, so for car taxes, now we can fill this one in. We're going to be doing $15, so we're going to do 110, 15, and we are pretty much done with car taxes. I can check that for this year. I already sent it down to be paid. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I am pretty much working on next year's first quota of taxes, so that should go towards that, because like I said, taxes don't never stop. You're going to pay them regardless. I know some states say that if you pay like your car off or your house, you don't pay taxes on it. I'm not sure if that's right, but someone had said something like that. So I mean, correct me if I am wrong or if I misinterpreted that wrong. All right, so oil change, we're going to do $47. So we're going to do 2 20s, a 5 and 2, and this is usually how much my oil change is every time. So what I'm trying to do is pretty much save that amount each time, because usually I'll save $10, so that way I'll have a better knowledge of how many oil changes I have. So that's why I started doing the $47 each time. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. All right, so that'll make it a little bit easier. Okay, so next we have tire rotation, and my tire rotation each time is $16. So that's the same thing that I'm trying to do for this. So tire rotation will get $16 this time. So we're gonna do 110, 15, and 11. So it'll be 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52. So that is $52. And I only have to get that every like 30,000 miles, so that doesn't have to be filled super quick. All right, next we have electric. Electric will get $25, and I have a feeling electric is going to be super expensive in the winter. So you have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $95, because it's already, I don't know if it already went up to $20 or it's still supposed to go up to $20. Not sure yet, but I know that it is going up. Well, at least I have one tracker in here. I didn't take that tracker out. I have no idea what I did with my trackers. No idea. All right, so next we have WODA. So that will get $20. So we're going to do a $20 bill. So that will have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, $75. And my sinking funds don't really have a lot because I actually use them. So it doesn't keep a whole lot in here, because I know people are like, you got a lot in your sinking funds. I'm like, no, I use these things, y'all. I use them. All right, so that is all for that binder. So next we're going to do our so-called fun binder. All right, so we got Eat Out, which is going to be just if we go out on outings. Now I do have the tracker in here, but I'm just gonna kind of leave it as it be. So we are actually going to be adding $20 to Eat Out. So this is just like fun things that we just really want to go take, you know, go somewhere and sit and eat. So we got 20, 40, 45, and we're going to need to save a little bit more than this if that's the case, because eating out is expensive. All right, so vacation, we are going to be adding $20. So vacation, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40. So we got 540 for vacation. Trips and vacation, we don't have anything left because we used the gas money for the Thomas day out with Thomas trip. So we're kind of putting this back in there. So that's a $20 bill. And then we have birthdays, and then we have $25. So we're going to do, let's do, no, you know what? Let's do, I want to do 2 10s for this. Yeah, I want to do 2 10s. 10, 20. Let's do that. Okay, let's do 2 10s. And then I'm going to do, maybe do 2 10s for birthday too. How about that? So we got 10, 20. I sure hope I did not pick up an extra 20. Okay. All right. So birthdays, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81 for that. All right. Next we have Tina. Tina will get $10. Let's do 2 5s. All right, so we have 200, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I feel like I might have picked up something extra, y'all. Not sure. All right, giving will get $5. All right, so we got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. So we got $75 in giving. All right, so that is all for that. Now we are going to be adding to my 1K challenge. So we're going to put that there. So, and y'all, these are shipping out. Like I said before, these are shipping out on the 26th. 26 is right around the corner, so that is not super far. It's probably like what? Tomorrow? Is that what we're doing? I think it's like tomorrow. All right, so we're gonna do $40 for that. So we have X, so that. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this extra money when I'm done. I probably just put it probably in savings as of now. And then I might just pretty much restart it over. because it's pretty much reusable. All right, so we have that much saved in there. So that is for the $1,000 savings challenge. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put we're gonna do $30 in 8-inch binder. So we got 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 10. So $30 will go into 8-inch savings challenge. And I do use, for 8-inch savings, y'all, I do use money placeholders. So this is really like funny money because I don't keep a lot of cash. Y'all might think I keep a lot of cash here, but I don't keep a lot of cash here. So you will see me use a lot of money placeholders. Because like I said, for everybody's budget, you figure it out, you do it how you want to do it. I'm going to use this calculator here. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,500. And I have a little sticker here. I'm not sure where that sticker came from. So we got 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 92, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. That's 100. Yeah, 105. Yo, I done jumped. Okay, so that's how much I have. 3,605. Yo, I done jumped from 100 to 300. Doing the most. Okay, so that goes in 8-inch binder. So whenever he hits 500, the money goes to the savings account. Now, I am actually going to, this is pretty much about almost empty, because I've been swapping money out and putting it in other binders. So this is my pay it extra binder here. What that is basically like extra money that I have. I put it in here so that I can put towards things that I want to pretty much pay off a little bit extra, like mortgage, like car, and like insurance. Now I do have an envelope in here. I'm just planning this as I go. Yeah, so I have it, it's like save it up. So I do have in there 20, 40, 50, 60. So I do have $60. So I'm actually going to put that in my car envelope. And this money here will pretty much come out today and be applied, because it's pretty much the end of the month. And I want to get it in before actually the end of the month comes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this money and transfer it to my checking so that I can put the extra towards my car payment. So it's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, and 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. All right, so 237, y'all. That is not bad as extra cash going towards the principal of like any type of balance you have. And I was just pretty much testing this out to see how it would actually work. So I am going to, I need to pretty much split this up because I don't want it to be all together. So, all right, so I'm gonna pretty much grab a sticky here. And we're just gonna I'm just gonna pull these out here and work with that. So this will be extra towards my car. And I can't remember how much I said we had. We had 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 20, 25, 30, 35, 237. Okay. So that is that. So that's for car. Do that. And then for mortgage, let's see how much extra we have for that. So we have 20, 40, 50, 52. So mortgage, we have $52. And y'all, this was just something that I just kind of pretty much winged and was trying out. But actually, I like the idea of doing this because I did save some money. All right, so insurance, we did 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. I picked the things that I can actually pay extra to. 42. Insurance. All right, so, so let's see. how much did we save in all, y'all? So we got $42 plus $52 plus $237. All right, so we saved $331 towards extra towards bills. All right, so then now we will start back over for the month of November, and then that will be added to the principal and then the extra like for insurance. So I'm gonna actually put this in my wallet, and I still have my extra bucks from CVS in here. So I'm gonna just fold that down, and then this will be bank run, because I will deposit that today in my account. Okay, all right guys, so we are pretty much done. 52 weeks and 1K challenges will be shipping out. It should be tomorrow they'll start shipping out, so you'll start getting tracking numbers for that. So yeah, we have been busy with those. And then also make sure to follow me on my Instagram, and my TikTok is called APinkeClothlife. And then also guys, please make sure to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I am still behind on comments, so y'all don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me, all right? But but anyways, all right, so y'all guys are so funny, y'all crack me up. But I love it. All right guys, so then like I always say, until next time guys, peace.